a top tip. You can always make use of the part of your garden that gets both sun and shade. And if you're going to plant something, maybe try a native plant that you can eat. This is a midgeonberry. Midgeonberries are a sweet and tangy native berry. They like a little bit of sun in the morning and shade in the afternoon. This semi-shaded area is perfect for them. You'll love watching the midgeonberries grow in the shadier parts of your garden. Eventually, you'll get to eat them too.
Super School! At our school, we are helping save endangered native plants.
Our school sits on Indigo land.
And it's a home to a group of plants called the Eastern Suburb Banksia scrub.
Eastern Suburb Banksia scrub includes almost 100 plants that most people thought were extinct.
Our local nursery helps save them.
By harvesting them from the wild and growing them in greenhouses.
They grow plants like the five-corner flower.
And the lantern Banksia, which looks kind of like a lantern.
Our nursery found a big patch of Banksia scrub right here in our school.
They turned it into a garden.
And they teach us how to look after it.
We put seeds and seedlings from the nursery into the garden.
When the garden grows bigger, we'll harvest more seeds and plant them back in the wild.
That way we can help these plants grow all over the land where they belong. Just a minute!
Hello, I'm Molly, and we're about to meet a very special guest. It's Tom Forrest. Hi, Tom.
Hi, Molly.
OK, Tom, you have just a minute to tell us about the garden you're in. And your time starts now.
OK, so, Molly, I'm from a place in the Kimberley in Western Australia. We're currently here on Gadigal country in Surrey Hills. Let me show you the first plant I'm a big fan of. This is the frangipani tree. The flowers are absolutely beautiful. They have a beautiful smell, and it reminds me of walking the main streets of my hometown in Kununurra. Come check out this next one. Now, I'm not exactly sure what this is. I know it's citrus of some sort, but I remember eating mandarins off the ground that had fallen off my neighbour's tree. They taste absolutely amazing. I know the clock's ticking, beautiful plant, so much going on. This one here definitely reminds me of home. The Kimberley is extremely hot and dry. It's the cactus. Be careful if you're walking around this barefoot. The one I had was something like 5 metres tall. It's a really beautiful thing when it comes to travelling a lot for work, that when I am home and come up here to the rooftop garden, I'm surrounded by all these incredible species and plants that remind me so much of home and have that really special connection to me. See you next time. Bye.